मैं जयराम रमेश जी का जो क्वेश्चन है वो जिक्र करके बोलना चाहता हूं तो मिस रिप्रेजेंटेशन करने में बहुत माहिर है सर। उनका ये क्षमता तो हमको अप्रिशिएट करना पड़ेगा।
The word misrepresentation is deleted. नहीं
मैं बता रहा हूँ जयराम जी।
Honorable Minister,
Sir.
the word misrepresentation is deleted. It is personal between two of you.
हाँ सर।
You settled it outside.
सर जो उन लोगों ने सत्य के दूर के बात कह के गुमराह करने का ये बोल सकते हैं सर।
और भी थोड़ा लाइटर वर्ड यूज।
मिसलीडिंग सर। He is misleading.
No. गुमराह इज फाइन।
हाँ गुमराह इज फाइन। हाँ गुमराह इज फाइन।
नो मिसलीडिंग। ऐसा करो ना
जी
कि कभी कभी तथ्यों से भटक जाते हैं।
हाँ तथ्यों से भटक जाते हैं
रखो। सप्लीमेंट्री नंबर 4 श्री जयराम Ramesh.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. Sir, in Part B, Para 4 of the answer of the Honourable Minister, he says, under the National Food Security Act 2013, free of cost food grains are distributed to beneficiaries. Sir, I hope the Minister does not get pulled up or removed from his assignment because of this admission that he has made for the first time in 11 years that the government has acknowledged that the National Food Security Act 2013 free of cost food grains are distributed to beneficiaries.
You should appreciate the
Sir,
minister for
my
saying
question.
So.
No, this is an appreciation of the answer. He has acknowledged that there was an India before 2014 also. Sir, the answer reveals.
There was India also before 1947.
Yes, sir.
We have a long history.
Yes, sir. Sir, that should be addressed to the treasury benches, not to us. We recognize it, sir. Sir, the answer, if you go by the answer of the Honourable Minister, the difference between intended beneficiaries and identified beneficiaries is 8 million. That means 8 million Indians today who are entitled under the National Food Security Act for free food grains are not getting the free rations by the minister's own admission. So my first question is, how will this gap between intended beneficiaries and identified beneficiaries be filled up? Second, last week, the chairperson of the Congress Parliamentary Party had pointed out in her zero-hour intervention that the 2011 census has not been updated. There has not been a 2021 census. And as a result of that, almost 14 crore Indians who are eligible under the National Food Security Act are not getting their benefit. My question to the Honourable Minister, when will the 2021 census be conducted so that the National Food Security Act is updated in terms of free distribution of food grains?
अगर मैं जयराम रमेश जी का जो क्वेश्चन है वो जिक्र करके बोलना चाहता हूं तो मिस रिप्रेजेंटेशन करने में बहुत माहिर है सर। उनका ये क्षमता तो हमको अप्रिशिएट करना पड़ेगा। सर ये जो मैंने जो रिप्लाई में
Sir, the word misrepresentation is deleted. नहीं
मैं बता रहा हूँ जयराम जी।
Honourable Minister,
Sir.
the word misrepresentation is deleted. It is personal between two of you.
हाँ सर।
You settled it outside.
सर जो उन लोगों ने सत्य के दूर के बात कह के गुमराह करने का ये बोल सकते हैं सर।
और भी थोड़ा लाइटर वर्ड यूज।
मिसलीडिंग सर। He is misleading.
No. गुमराह इज फाइन।
हाँ गुमराह इज फाइन। हाँ गुमराह इज फाइन।
नो मिसलीडिंग।
सर मैंने इससे पहले भी मैंने कहा
ऐसा करो ना
जी
कि कभी कभी तथ्यों से भटक जाते हैं।
हाँ तथ्यों से भटक जाते हैं।
रखो।